What's up, Peak Timers? We've got the 2020 Hot Wheels B case all ready to unbox. The treasure hunt for this case is the Mercedes Unimog 1300, and the super treasure hunt for this case is the Ford GT40. One question I still get is, where do I pick up these cases from? And I still get them from granitoys.com. So go check out granitoys.com. I'll link them in the description below if you guys want to pick up your own Hot Wheels case. All right, let's get to the unboxing of this case. I'll flip it down around and X-Acto knife it apart right here. And let's get right to it. Let's start right on top right here. And we'll see our first few that we have. We've got the 2016 Copo Camaro SS, the 91 Mazda MX-5 Miata, and we've got the Hot Wheels armored truck. All right, moving on to our next ones here. We've got one that's kind of sideways in here, which is kind of weird. Let's pull that one out. There we go. We've got first the roller toaster, then we've got the Honda Monkey Z50, and this is the one that was placed kind of sideways in there, which is the 2005 Ford Mustang. And next up, we've got two of the Chill Mills. Then we've got the Carbonator right there. Carbonator looks like a new color for that one. All right, so we'll put those aside. And next up, we've got the Slide Kick, new color for that, and a Heavy Hitcher, and another one of the Carbonators. All right, next up, Tooligan, new color for the Tooligan, and there's the Roger Dodger 2.0, that green color that we saw previously. Next up, some new colors for the Batmobile. We've got the Batmobile all in chrome. That is crazy looking. I really like that one, two of those ones. Then we've got the Land Rover Series 3 pickup truck. And next up, we've got two of the Road Bandits, brand new casting for 2020, and another one of the Land Rover Series 3 pickups. Next up, we've got Hot Wheels Warp Speeder. That's a very interesting casting. I like the colorway on that one. Looks good. And we've got a Gotta Go, the toilet car, one of the most interesting fantasy castings. It's actually a toilet on the back, which is kind of crazy. All right, next up, we've got Bogzilla with two of the Bone Shaker Pixel Shakers. They call it the Pixel Shaker, but it's essentially a bone shaker that's pixelized. There it is, the Pixel Shaker, two of those. All right, and this is one of the ones I was looking forward to. The RV There Yet. Check that one out. It's like some little mini car or van, and then it's got like the RV trailer thing attached to it. We've got two of those, very cool casting. And the Dune It Up. And at the bottom, we've got two Subaru WRX Impreza 22B STI version. I guess they don't really even put WRX on there, but even though it is a WRX, I like that casting. We saw that one last case. Dune It Up as well. There we go. And at the bottom, we've got a GT40, but this one is not the treasure hunt. It's not the super treasure hunt, sorry. That's just the mainline variation, but Golf livery on there, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. And this one, the 2018 Hot Wheels Legends Tour, there it is, casting winner. So if you guys didn't know, the Hot Wheels Legends Tour, the car show, the real life car show they have, the winner from last year, the car that won out of all the shows, they made it into a Hot Wheels casting, and this is it, 2Jet Z. Very cool casting. Awesome, awesome. And then we've got another new casting, the 89 Porsche 944 Turbo in this red color. We've seen lots of reveal pictures of this, and finally we've got it in hand. We'll be opening that one up in the next video. All right. Moving on to the bottom here. Let's see what we got at top. We've got two of the Hot Wheels Formula Solars and a Power Rocket. All right, we'll put those aside. We'll go on up top right here. We've got Gruppo X24, brand new colorway of those ones. And a 65 Mustang 2+2 Fastback in yellow. And we'll go to the top right there. We've got the Aeropod. Very interesting casting. It's kind of like a Moonwalker car or something. And the 69 Chevelle. And that's an interesting looking tuned casting variation of it. Tuned version of the 69 Chevelle. Moving up to the top right there, we've got cool one. New colorway of that. And a brand new colorway of the Indy 500 Oval. I love this casting. It's one of my favorite Hot Wheels castings. Indy 500 Oval. There we go. And we've got the brand new Nissan Skyline GTR BNR 32 and the brand new Porsche 917 LH. Brand new colorway. And this one is actually made after a real life Porsche 917. So it looks really, really cool. Love that colorway of that one. All right, next up we've got the treasure hunt. We've got the Mercedes-Benz Unimog 1300. This one is the treasure hunt for the case. You can see the little treasure hunt logo right there on the side. I love this casting, and I'm actually super happy they made this one into a treasure hunt. There it is. Awesome, love that one. 95 Mazda RX-7 orange, brand new colorway. And if you check this one out, check out these two castings. I did find an error. So you can see this one's got all blacked out wheels, and that's got the chrome lip on there. And this one has the chrome lip. So this one is an error on that right there. That's very, very interesting. Cool find. I like it. All right, we'll put that one aside. And we've got the Snoopy and the 83 Chevy Silverado and a brand new colorway of the world's longest Hot Wheels named car. Let's do it. Porsche Panamera Turbo SE Hybrid Sport Turismo. There we go. We got it out. There we go. I love this casting though. Check that out. Love the white with the black wheels. Looks so good. All right, we'll put that one aside. New colorway of the Dodge Viper SRT10 ACR. That looks great. Love the livery on that one. Put that one aside. Two of the Octanes. New colorway of the Octane. There we go. And what else do we have here? New colorway of the wheelie chair. Got a black wheelie chair there. There we go. Got two different wheels on there. Looks very interesting. And there's another one of those Vipers. All right, we'll put those aside. What else do we have? We've got the Night Shifter. Nice matte black with the gold. Wow, that's fantastic looking. Really like that one. There we go. And another one of the two Jet Zs. All right. And what else do we have? 85 Honda City Turbo 2 new colorway. And another one of the Ford GT40s. Again, not the Super Treasure Hunt, unfortunately, though. But still, love it. Looks great with the Gulf livery. And our bottom three last cars. New colorway of the Diaper Dragger. Very interesting casting. And the last one, the 76 Corvette Greenwood, or Greenwood Corvette, I guess they say it, but I like this casting a lot. Looks really, really good. 2020 Hot Wheels B Case highlight cars. We've got 8 cars that we're gonna highlight from the 2020 B Case. We'll start with these two right here. The Ford GT. This is the mainline variation. It does come as a Super Treasure Hunt. Unfortunately, we didn't find it in this case. Then we've got the long name Porsche Panamera Turbo SE Hybrid Sport Turismo. Brand new recolor of that one. New castings. We've got the RV There Yet and the 89 Porsche 944 Turbo. Two great looking castings. And a couple other new ones. We've got the 76, I was gonna say 79, but it's a 76 Corvette Greenwood, or Greenwood Corvette. And the Hot Wheels Legends Tour winner car, the 2 Jet Z. I really like that one. Interesting casting, interesting casting. And our final two, the Treasure Hunt Mercedes-Benz Unimog 1300, a great treasure hunt to have. And the last but definitely not least, Porsche 917 LH. Let me know in the comments down below, guys, which was your favorite car from the 2020 Hot Wheels B Case. And make sure you smash that thumbs up. I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.